初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I need something for a headache.
I need something for a headache.
我需要一些治头痛的药。
I need something for a headache.
I need something for a headache.
Do you have cold medicine?
Do you have cold medicine?
你有感冒药吗？
Do you have cold medicine?
Do you have cold medicine?
My throat feels very sore.
My throat feels very sore.
我的喉咙很痛。
My throat feels very sore.
My throat feels very sore.
I need something for a cough.
I need something for a cough.
我需要一些止咳的药。
I need something for a cough.
I need something for a cough.
Do you have fever medicine?
Do you have fever medicine?
你有退烧药吗？
Do you have fever medicine?
Do you have fever medicine?
I need something for allergies.
I need something for allergies.
我需要一些抗过敏的药。
I need something for allergies.
I need something for allergies.
My stomach hurts a little.
My stomach hurts a little.
我的胃有点痛。
My stomach hurts a little.
My stomach hurts a little.
Do you sell vitamins here?
Do you sell vitamins here?
你们这里卖维生素吗？
Do you sell vitamins here?
Do you sell vitamins here?
I need pain relief tablets.
I need pain relief tablets.
我需要止痛片。
I need pain relief tablets.
I need pain relief tablets.
Can I get something for sleep?
Can I get something for sleep?
我能买些助眠的药吗？
Can I get something for sleep?
Can I get something for sleep?
Do you have bandages?
Do you have bandages?
你有绷带吗？
Do you have bandages?
Do you have bandages?
I need some antiseptic cream.
I need some antiseptic cream.
我需要一些抗菌药膏。
I need some antiseptic cream.
I need some antiseptic cream.
Do you have disinfectant wipes?
Do you have disinfectant wipes?
你有消毒湿巾吗？
Do you have disinfectant wipes?
Do you have disinfectant wipes?
I want a pack of tissues.
I want a pack of tissues.
我想要一包纸巾。
I want a pack of tissues.
I want a pack of tissues.
I need a thermometer.
I need a thermometer.
我需要一个体温计。
I need a thermometer.
I need a thermometer.
Do you sell face masks?
Do you sell face masks?
你们卖口罩吗？
Do you sell face masks?
Do you sell face masks?
I need some hand sanitizer.
I need some hand sanitizer.
我需要一些洗手液。
I need some hand sanitizer.
I need some hand sanitizer.
My nose is really stuffy.
My nose is really stuffy.
我的鼻子真的很堵。
My nose is really stuffy.
My nose is really stuffy.
I want a nasal spray.
I want a nasal spray.
我想要一瓶鼻喷剂。
I want a nasal spray.
I want a nasal spray.
Do you have eye drops?
Do you have eye drops?
你有眼药水吗？
Do you have eye drops?
Do you have eye drops?
I need medicine for nausea.
I need medicine for nausea.
我需要治恶心的药。
I need medicine for nausea.
I need medicine for nausea.
Is this safe for children?
Is this safe for children?
这对儿童安全吗？
Is this safe for children?
Is this safe for children?
Can I take it after meals?
Can I take it after meals?
我可以饭后服用吗？
Can I take it after meals?
Can I take it after meals?
How many times a day?
How many times a day?
一天几次？
How many times a day?
How many times a day?
Do I need a prescription?
Do I need a prescription?
我需要处方吗？
Do I need a prescription?
Do I need a prescription?
Can I buy this without one?
Can I buy this without one?
没有处方，我能买这个吗？
Can I buy this without one?
Can I buy this without one?
Is it available in smaller size?
Is it available in smaller size?
有小号的吗？
Is it available in smaller size?
Is it available in smaller size?
What's the recommended dosage?
What's the recommended dosage?
推荐剂量是多少？
What's the recommended dosage?
What's the recommended dosage?
Can you show me how to use it?
Can you show me how to use it?
你能告诉我怎么用吗？
Can you show me how to use it?
Can you show me how to use it?
I'm allergic to penicillin.
I'm allergic to penicillin.
我对青霉素过敏。
I'm allergic to penicillin.
I'm allergic to penicillin.
Can you check the expiration date?
Can you check the expiration date?
你能检查一下保质期吗？
Can you check the expiration date?
Can you check the expiration date?
Please give me the cheaper one.
Please give me the cheaper one.
请给我便宜的那个。
Please give me the cheaper one.
Please give me the cheaper one.
I want a pack of 10 pills.
I want a pack of 10 pills.
我想要一包10片的药。
I want a pack of 10 pills.
I want a pack of 10 pills.
Is this good for sore muscles?
Is this good for sore muscles?
这个对肌肉酸痛有效吗？
Is this good for sore muscles?
Is this good for sore muscles?
Do you have herbal medicine?
Do you have herbal medicine?
你有草药吗？
Do you have herbal medicine?
Do you have herbal medicine?
I feel dizzy sometimes.
I feel dizzy sometimes.
我有时会头晕。
I feel dizzy sometimes.
I feel dizzy sometimes.
Can I get something for energy?
Can I get something for energy?
我能买些提神的药吗？
Can I get something for energy?
Can I get something for energy?
Please give me a bottle of water.
Please give me a bottle of water.
请给我一瓶水。
Please give me a bottle of water.
Please give me a bottle of water.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Have a healthy day.
Have a healthy day.
祝你健康。
Have a healthy day.
Have a healthy day.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。